This is number 2, activity. So we went from structure, and I'm not talking about you need to go out and do an hour. Just go 20 minutes. Go around, walk around the block. You just need to move. Get up and do some. If you're doing the escalators, do the stairs. It's tough because we get so relaxed and acclimated to our lifestyle of just the easier the better. You know, some people are like that, but if you want that goal to lose weight, you gotta put in the work. Now, the gym, where a lot of people are inconsistent, the gym is the easiest thing to do. But people put all their eggs in one basket. The gym, got to go work out, and they stress about it. But it's only like an hour, 2 hours tops out of your day. So what's the 22 hours look like? A lot of people I've seen that work out for years, and they look exactly the same. They're consistent with the gym, but they're not consistent with the first part we just talked about, the structure. However, if I were to say you cannot go to the gym anymore, but you can focus on this, I promise you'll lose weight.
Wow.
You can do workouts at home, at the playground, whatever. Your body just needs tension or stress, and your body weight can be one. You can do it on, at the park. You don't need the weights. That's just more or less what we're accepting as social. We need weights in order for us to change our body. No, you just need tension. Your own body weight, you can push up at home. You can go run outside. Okay?